I'm Zoe and this is Cabin Fever Science! Today we're going to be making something super fun. Oobleck! Oobleck is kind of like slime and kind of like putty, but when you squeeze it, it's hard like a rock, and when you let go, it dissolves. It acts like a solid and a liquid. A solid is something firm and stable that doesn't change shape, like banana. I guess banana could be a liquid if it were in a smoothie, but I think we'll do that for dessert. A liquid is something that flows freely, like water. Put 1 to 3 cups of cornstarch into a large bowl. Add water and mix it with your hands until all the powder is wet. Then keep adding water slowly. Then you play with it. Oobleck is a suspension. That means that cornstarch is floating around in water. When you put a lot of force on the oobleck, the water molecules get pushed out, leaving only the cornstarch. That's what makes it hard. When you push softly on the oobleck, the cornstarch and the water molecules slip past each other smoothly. What's cool about oobleck is that it's super fun and also sciencey. I'm Zoe and this is Cabin Fever Science. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's cool about oobleck? Oobleck is a bench. Good.